Welcome to the Helo factory in Hanko, Finland. In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble the Hanko series sauna kit. Let's go inside and take a look. Before you begin construction of your sauna, organize the screws, brackets, walls and other equipment in order to make the process as easy as possible. All the wall panels are numbered according to the order in which they are to be assembled. Where there is a red sticker on a panel, it indicates the externally facing side. There are 7 wall panels in total. Begin construction by setting up the floor support. Make sure you are using the correct size of corner piece and that the bracket fits properly before assembly. Put together 3 sides of the base using the corner pieces and screw them in place as per the instruction manual. Check that the base is level. Identify wall panel numbers 1 and 2. Slot wall panel 1 into the base on the left-hand side and screw in the correct corner pole for the back left corner as shown. Slot wall panel number 2 into the rear of the base and screw in place. When wall panels are assembled, they should always fit together tightly. Slot wall panel number 3 next. Note that there are 2 different mounting plates used to attach the panels to each other. Mounting plates for the side wall panels have 3 holes. Mounting plates for the corner poles have 2 holes. Use a hammer to insert the top mounting plate into the slots. Repeat this process with the next wall panel. Slide the panel into the back right corner, screw the pole to the rear panel, and use a 2-hole mounting plate to fix the corner pole. Repeat the process with the next panel. Make sure you pull out the plastic tubes for the sauna stove cabling. Returning to the left side, continue assembling the panels in the correct order. Using the correct panel and the corner pole as per the instruction manual, complete the front left corner. And repeat for the front right corner pole. Take roof panel number 1. Again, the red sticker indicates the external side. Cut the fabric strip to the required lengths and affix them to the inside edges of the ceiling panels. Carefully lift the ceiling panel into place. The guide bars should fit snugly into the top of the wall panels. Repeat for roof panel 2, affixing the tape as shown in the manual. Screw in the side frames and floor support for the glass panels. Drill screws at a slight angle to avoid cracking the wood. If space allows, screw the ceiling panels into place. Now assemble the benches. Unpack the top bench and remove the wooden support that will be used to fix it to the wall. Follow the pre-marked lines to guide the placement of the support and screw and glue it into place, using all screw holes. Confirm the support is level. Repeat this process on the other side and for the lower bench supports. Carefully lower the top bench onto the supports and screw into place as per the manual. Pull the lighting cable through the hole in the back wall of the sauna. Connect the cable to its pair in the pre-assembled backrest. Measuring the correct placement according to the instruction manual, screw the backrest into place. To assemble the skirting, first screw the included magnets into place. Screw the side supports into place, ensuring correct placement. Carefully place the lower bench onto the supports and then affix the skirting in place using the magnets. The magnets allow for easy removal for cleaning. The final step is the glass front. Note that the etched logo in each glass panel should go at the bottom. Use the included suction cup to safely move the glass. Put at least 2 glass strips in each section of the floor support. Carefully lift and slide the glass panels into the left side frame. Make sure the glass is flush with the frame and level. For the moment, stabilize the glass by cutting short pieces of the glass bar and gently inserting them between the frame and the glass. Insert the right-hand glass pane in the same way. Assemble the glass-to-glass hinges according to the manual and screw them in place. Locate the hard, heat-resistant gasket. Open the hinge. Remove 2 gaskets, one 1mm and one 2mm. When assembling the hinge on the glass, the hard 3mm gasket is the only one on the inside of the room. Be careful not to over-tighten. Support the glass door with the rubber wedges. Put the plastic gasket into place and tighten the hinges. Gently close the door and ensure it is correctly positioned. Nail into place the interior lists, exterior cover lists, and architraves. Place covers on the floor support frame. Slide P14 and P15 together. Be careful to slide them in straight to avoid cracking the wood. Consult the instruction manual to make sure the lists are in the correct places. Glue the profile above the door into place. Assemble the door handles and affix to the door as shown. Remove the temporary rubber strips from between the glass and the frame. Cut a piece of the rubber glass gasket to the correct length and place it between the glass and the frame, using the supplied tool to push it into place. Assemble the vent, following the instruction manual for placement. Insert the end plugs to the floor frame. Install the sauna stove according to the manufacturer's instructions, and you are ready to enjoy your genuine Helo finish sauna.